So what's up, folks? It's me, Nate, your intrepid reporter for Boston Weather Dudes. Once again, I am on my own doing a little solo trip, and I'm actually headed out to Jamaica Plain right now, and we got a snowstorm. It's not just from the last snowstorm of a couple of days ago. We got a legit, snow coming down, and it's got some accumulation. I actually just went into my house for like 2, maybe 3 minutes and check out my windshield, which was previously cleared off. Yep, so I got my TomTom GPS right there. It's the bomb. It's from like 99, but still trucking. Gotta do an update on that one. Boom, and it looks like that guy is trying to get some of his shoveling done early. Me? Yeah, I got the part-time 4-wheel drive on. I could go into 4 low if I need to. That's for low speeds, but I'm trying to get somewhere kind of fast, so fuck that. And off we go. Let's do this. Okay, this is something you'll sometimes see around the city in New England. It's called a chair in a parking spot. Officially, it is not sanctioned by the local or state government, but it's something that people do nonetheless because they want to save the spot that they had to shovel out. Because that's hard work. Sometimes that can take better part of an hour, and you're gonna be freezing your balls off while you're doing it. So people want to make sure nobody steals out their spot. You gotta shovel out your own. So, even though it's technically illegal or, not sanctioned, whatever you want to call that, non-legal, illegal, something like that, it is, it's not the kind of thing you really want to test. You don't want to trifle with people's chair or cone or safe spot, because if you park there, I've heard legends that you can get your car fucked up. So, try it at your own risk. Alright, so far we're making decent time. It looks like it's 4:22 right now, and this little guy is saying I'm going to make it to my work dinner in 20 minutes. Alright, so this traffic right here gives you a pretty good idea of the way people are driving. They're all pretty much scared. And
in the big rock candy mountains, all the cops have wooden legs, and the bulldogs all have rubber teeth, and the hens lay soft-boiled eggs. The farmers' trees are full of fruit, and the barns are full of hay. Oh, I'm bound to go where there ain't no snow, where the rain don't fall, the wind don't blow, in the big rock candy mountains.
We are finally in view of the destination, and let's check on how long it took us. Oh, damn, that is harsh amount of delays right there. So that's over 1 hour of just being in traffic. Garbage traffic at that. It was really garbage traffic. And we're basically there. Not quite, so it's still gonna take some more time. Probably gonna see some more delays. Let's talk to this guy. Yo, man, how's the biking out there?
It's great.
Yeah?
You gotta love it. Look at that.
You got it?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like Postman's not having much fun. There's another biker. Looks like that guy figured out to not actually try to get on his bike. But this is Jamaica Plain, so a lot of biking enthusiasts around here. I don't know, just seeing that one guy with his bike trying to pedal through the snow, I don't know, that kind of lifted my spirits again. Holy, look at this, we got another biker right here. Whoa, that guy's on a road bike? People are really nuts around here. I mean, you can see the roads, they suck. Whoa. Uh-oh. Just did it. it.